So I came across this AI humanizer and I think it's really nice, but then I want to take a face-to-face battle with the AI humanizers and the AI dictators. I'm going to be using the GPT-0, the 0GPT for the testing and also the Sapling AI for the testing, guys. So we're going to be using this to know if it can actually beat all these amazing powerful AI detectors. So first of all, let us go ahead and get our first article that is going to be serving as what we're going to be sampling, guys. So we have a story and this is about self-discipline. All right, so let us copy this. All right, copy to this extent, guys. So I'm going to be starting with the detectors to confirm this is AI written, just as you'll see. Detect, paste it over here as well. So immediately it is running and boom, 100% fake. That is 100% fake. This is AI generated. Now let us see what it says to us as well. And 96.8% AI generated, guys. So we have confirmed that our test is 100% AI, right? So the next step is for us to go ahead and try to use this humanizer that it gives everything accurate. All right, so we have a max of 100 words. So let us go ahead and humanize and let us see the result, guys. So if this actually humanizes it and beat it, then we believe that yeah, it is actually a good humanizer. And you can see it is checking, it is cross-checking, and the output see humanity, and this is the output. Now we cannot just finalize that this is 100% AI humanized until we check. All right, so copy it and head back. So let us go ahead and clear and then paste the new one and detect. And also we have to clear this as well. Okay, clear it as well, and we're going to be dictating again. So paste the new one and check again. So let us see what it's telling, and boom, we have our result. 0% fake right in front of you. Let us see what it says, and this one see 10.9% AI, which means we have a higher chance that this is 100% humanized, and this was done using these guys. So without further ado, let us use another story. Now I want a 90 word, okay, I want a 90 word article or story rather. Let us see a 90 word story. So let us test it with another stuff, not just our usual stuff, and see. Now if this actually also generates this and humanizes it, then I know that yeah, we are good. So I copy this over here. I use 90 word for that humanizer. So let us dictate this. Clear this, always clear the previous one and paste it, guys. To go ahead and dictate, and let us see what it says to us, and head back over here. Now immediately you paste into this one, it begins to dictate on its own. So it's already checking for me. Check again, and boom, 100% AI. This is 7.9% AI. So let us go back to the AI humanizer, clear all this out, and then paste the new one. Okay, allow the paste the new one, and then humanize. So confirm 7% and 100%. Then head back over here and let us see our results, guys. So it has done it analyzing, it's checking using couplets, cross glabs, sapling. Now sapling is also here as a dictator, and if it passes here, then it means it passes it on its official platform. All right, let us come over here and confirm. So clear out this and let us copy the humanized version over here and head back to this, then paste it. All right, detect and then come back to sapling. Now let us copy here and clear this, and then paste the new one and check again, and let us see what it's saying. All right, now this is where it gets complicated. It said 100% fake again. So let us see what it says over 0% fake. That is what it actually happened. Now let us take that same text, now the humanized text, right? We're going to be clearing this and then pasting that humanized text again. So let us see what it does for us. Now it will go ahead and check, analyze, and humanize our text accurately. Alright, so it has humanized it. Let us check one more time. And if our AI dictator still get it, then we know that yeah, this wasn't able to humanize it properly. You can't do one test and have your result. You have to do multiple tests and be sure, and your test is 100% human. Your test is human written. All right, let us see. This is the big guy that gave us the issue the last time. So let us see if we got it this time around. Paste and check again. Let us see. All right, so let me reload this to be sure we are working on a current network database, guys. So clear this out and paste again, then hit, and 100% AI, guys. So this is to show that our humanizer did not do justice 100% when it comes to Sapling AI, guys. So I am not going to be forcing this video to show that HumanBot is 100% accurate. This is a review, and HumanBot wasn't able to 100% bypass Sapling, even though it showed a mark sign over. Till it bypass on the 0GBT. So you can see AI checkers or United AI 0GBT and the rest, guys. So this is basically all for the video. We're able to show that HumanBot is good by 50% and has its own comma. You should be able to use another one, and I'll make more reviews, guys. If you want more reviews like this, please just continue in the comment section. I'll proceed. And if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe, turn on the bell, drop a comment. See you all next time.